Certainly. Here are the steps to create a YouTube channel in short points. 1. Sign in or sign up for a Google account. 2. Go to YouTube, www.youtube.com. 3. Click on profile icon, top right, and select your channel. 4. Create your channel. Use your name or a custom name for a brand, business. 5. Add profile picture and write a short description in the About section. 6. Customize channel. Add a channel trailer, playlists, and sections. 7. Verify account, if needed, for videos longer than 15 minutes. 8. Upload videos. Click camera icon, select Upload Video, and follow prompts. 9. Optimize video settings, titles, descriptions, tags, and privacy settings. 10. Create eye-catching thumbnails for your videos. 11. Promote your channel, share on social media and engage with viewers. 12. Adhere to YouTube guidelines for community and copyright policies. 13. Consistency is key. Regularly upload content to keep viewers engaged. Remember, practice and patience are key to growing your channel. Good luck!